as a section. Next number 24, 25, 40, 26, 56. I'm here to conduct an Ethernet cable. First of all, I'm having my RJ45, my tester, and my cable. So first of all, I'm going to strip my cable and arrange them in the type B color code. So after arranging the color, just cut a reasonable size. So I'm now going to insert my RJ45. So after terminating this side, I'll do the same thing to the other side. So first of all, you just arrange your color. So after terminating the cables, I'm just going to test with my tester. So first of all, I'll just insert. After inserting, I'll just test out. Thank you for watching my